how to find and use a $100 promo code for 76 gas stations. If you are looking to save on your next fill up, these tips will help you get a great deal. So, first thing first, start by searching for 76 gas station promo code or 76 discount code on Google. This will lead you to various coupon websites and promotional offers. Then, simply check the trusted coupon websites for promo codes and discounts because these sites offer list current 76 station deals. Also, make sure to check the validity of the promo code you find. Then, simply tap on the website of the promo code, and inside the website, you will get to see a list of offers available. Choose one according to your preferences and simply tap on the view promo code option available there. Once you tap on the view promo code, the promo code will be shown on your screen, and all you have to do is copy that promo code and paste it in the 76 official websites and app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.